nandito na tayo ngayon sa lahat na nag-aaral gusto mapunta rito. Pilipinas man o saan man, lahat sila gusto nila. Nabigay ako kay Bang. Hey, thank you.
This is my way. On the way เครื่องกูมันสะบัดตุ้มโลโก้มาสักแท็กทูเจอในพี่น้องพวกพ้องกูหาเลยเริ่มมาจากไนสเตอร์09 All black everything ยังห้าวมาต่อที่ Deluxe แต่งชิคาโน My bro Sky High Immortal แต่รถกูแต่ง
Side seat. One. Yes, 3-1 battery makra.
How much?
70.
All 70. Picture B.
Local in Thailand. Subject of.
Bugoy na koy number 31. Yang katamaran mo pag di mo ma-convert iwan sa aking mga combo. Di mo mahabol, di mo na ako makita kahit may eyeball. Buhay ko nilalaro para bang The Sims. Kotse na itim, kulay gold ang aking rims. Umiiwas para hindi mainis kahit anong sitwasyon, kita mo aking finesse. Hindi umiinom, merong joint sa labi.
So mali bang pumasok tayo o hindi? Kaya nga eh, tanong muna tayo.
So, hindi siya mission pay.
Eh, makakapasok kami.
Saan na tayo lagi pala?
Dito na kami sa province ng Thailand. Ang labas-masok pala dyan. Oo. Kinakausap nila akong Thailander porket yung nasa likod ko, tingnan mo kasi oh. Kinakausap nila ako dyan eh.
Wala po sa akin.
Wala mo na cellphone. Ano binili mo tayo?
Ay, sayang wala si Tito Punch. Walang banana Q.
Punch, may banana Q ah. This is banana Q.
Tito Punch, meron kaming legit na ano, kamote Q and banana Q.
กูจุดบุหรี่แม่แบบว่ามูลต่อมูลเพื่อนกูอดีตแกงแบบว่ามึงไม่ควรตอนกูผลิตแบงเธออยากเข้ามานวลไม่อยากสนิทแม่เหมือนสมองมึงโดนกูจุดบุหรี่แม่แบบว่ามูลต่อมูลอย่ามาสะกิดแม่แบบว่ามึงไม่ควรไม่มึงกะหรี่แม่เธออยากเข้ามาคนก็คือ
maganda rito?
Yung entrance. Ay, no, may babae na.
Ano, Jeff? Ano, Jeff?
Where's the way?
Here's the way.
Ito pangalan ko doon. Yo, nandito na tayo ngayon sa lahat na nag-aaral gusto mapunta rito. Pilipinas man o saan man, lahat sila gusto nila.
Bust down wrist, it's an ice ring. Yo, bitch, call it like ring ring. Ching ching, ching ching. Lambo truck, it's a big thing. Yes, I'm him like ting ting. Real as fuck like ching ching, ching ching. Yeah, I go flexing on him, face card every time I call in. Got him, these ain't even not yet, pop still got him. Unknown drip like the Loch Ness monster. God so big it belong in Gotham. Fan on the roof like a helicopter. Wife on the roof, so I had the carpet. Pot only on red, but the boss is 6 year, I'ma take over the states. Muay Thai if I gotta run, get a fade. My watch gonna look like your girl in a way. Protect all the face in the face. What more can I say? Michelin meal, then I'm done for the day. Kung ten, still move on the plate. Sleep like a king, then it's time to get paid. Ching ching, new bling bling. Bust down wrist, it's an ice ring. Yo, bitch, call it like ring ring. Ching ching, ching ching. Lambo truck, it's a big thing. Yes, I'm him like ching ching. Real as fuck like ching ching.
Yes, I'm him. Flexing so hard like I just left the gym. Just broke the if a while, brand new Maybach truck, can't get this on film. Walk with the drip, and you know I can't trim. I popped 20 bottles when I felt in the film. Big looking out in his rock round my hip. Sling bling on my diamonds, I made 2 real. Stepping on these niggas, man, I need a 2 bill. Boy, on blink, I done made 2 mils. Young Drake on fresh, I done jumped out of jail with a bad ass bitch. And I ice on my knees and finesse, I done
Bigay ako kay Bang. Hey, thank you. Galing sa kanya to. I give you this shirt. Yo, binigyan niya ako nito. Isipin mo, binigyan ako ni Bang. Rider na nagbigay sa akin nito. Oh. Ayun. Sarap maiwan sa Bangkok. Na, tingnan mo, binigyan ako ni Bangkok. Hindi ko tuloy ngayon ito bubuksan. Kasi binigyan niya sa akin ito eh. Hindi ko ito bubuksan.
สมัครนะครับขอความร่วมมือนะครับกรุณาใส่ไฟท้ายผมด้วยนะครับจะเป็นเกิดอุบัติเหตุขึ้นมานะครับ
Uwi na kami, balik na kami ng Bangkok. Sa mga nakakaalam na ito, alam yung malayo to from Bangkok. Pero, nag-effort ako para gusto ko ah. Ito tayo bumalik-balik dito, Jet. 2 araw kami pabalik-balik. Wala kami makapunta kayo. So ngayon, ito na. Let's go. Uwi na tayo. Next time daw, gusto ko naka-BMW na tayo bumalik sa Bangkok ah.
I don't know what it is, but it feels so right. How could I say no when it feels so right? Yeah, and that's my nigga forever. Told him, yeah, you doing good, but you can do a little better. And when I call, I'm just checking, making sure that you good. And do the bitch cook you breakfast? Yeah,
that, baby, for real.
I don't know what it is, but it feels so right.
Looking at our pictures
just like damn, I kinda miss you. Anything you need off top, you can hit me. Life get crazy, shit get tricky. It's just something about you, man, it's better when you with me. Flight to the deep, don't trip, it's on me. Then I'ma lay you down, I'ma give you what you need. There's so many things running through my mind. I don't know why, but I hope I get a chance to see you. Cause it's been
Yo, nandito ngayon kami sa night market after namin ang race. Tingnan mo ngayon, parang kung linis. Sobrang friend. Yo, tingnan mo kung gaano ka-appreciated ng tao dito. Tingnan nyo. Normal lang sila, nakikinig lang yung sounds. Sobrang na-appreciate.
Everything I had was for the team. I remained patient, grinding with my brothers. It was us against them, no one above us. Bless our hearts.
Pak na pak si Ninay, kita yung lubot. Hello, nanuntok. Sawadika.
Mabilis lalabas yung utot mo dyan. Mabilis lalabas yung utot mo dyan.
Hello po. Ang cute naman. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Ang cute naman niya.
Huwag kayong makulit dun, ha? Mag-behave kayo dun. Mag-party kayo dun. Ikaw din mag-behave dun, ha? Oh, yo. Panoorin nyo kung ano yung mangyayari ngayon sa kanila. At panoorin nyo rin kung ano yung mangyayari sa amin. Nakaka-excite naman to, parang movie to. Meron na ba i-action sa atin?
Gagalit si Ina.
Oy, ano tawag pag babae mo sa celebrate pag
Shower.
Oh, bridal shower.
Bye-bye.
Oh, let's go.
Ang taray.
Ay, dito na ako sa harap. Ikaw magdadrive.
Ikaw, kotse mo pala eh.
Hey, I thought it was all over.